Hello, I'm Jessica, an e-learning specialist, and I'm here to show you how to make a chart from several different worksheets. Going to insert a chart, and I'm going to choose a pie chart. So when I go to select data, add data, first I need to give it a name, so I'm going to call it sales rev. I'm going to clear this out and go to my sales revenue sheet, and I'm going to check my prior period data, click OK, and now you can see my chart is starting. So now I'm going to go to add, series name, I'm going to call it cost of sales, and make sure we delete this, go to what I want to add here, so I'm comparing the prior period, click OK, and click OK here. And that looks pretty good. And remember, you can always change your chart type, so this might actually be shown better with, say, a 3D column chart. Real simple, real easy. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.